a very powerful software called Siemens Cinegraphics, or also known as NX. It has capabilities for CAM, for CAD, and with this software we can create 3D models from scratch, also design the molds themselves, and program for the CNC machining of these molds, prototypes, or any other thing that we might need to manufacture these molds. We also have something called 3D Moldex, which we use to do mold flow analysis. The mold flow analysis is a very important part of the process. We do this at the very beginning once we have a workable 3D model. With this, we can check how the plastic is going to behave, how it's going to flow into the mold itself, how it's going to shrink, any deformations that it's going to have, warping, any defects that the part can have potentially, and we can fix it before we even begin the manufacturing of the mold. With this, we can also check other stuff for production. Once the mold is ready and the customer is ready to go into the production of the plastic part, it will tell us how long it's going to take to make every part, how long it's going to take to cool. This helps us to select the molding machine, the plastic injection machine, how long the production is going to run. This also helps the customer to do an estimate of the price of the part, or if their mold is going to be adequate for their volume of production that they need.